Hi all, in this video we will see what is Kibana, what are the benefits of Kibana, and also we will see some sample Kibana dashboards. Coming to Kibana. Kibana is an open source data visualization dashboard for Elasticsearch. Basically Kibana is an user interface or it's a client which is used to explore the data that is present in Elasticsearch, and then users can build beautiful visualizations and dashboards out of the data that is present in Elasticsearch. The picture now we are seeing is Elastic Stack. Elastic Stack has four components: Kibana, Elasticsearch, Beats, Logstash. All these four components belongs to company called Elastic. So that's the reason all of them together they are called Elastic Stack. And out of this stack, Kibana is basically used for visualization and management of the data. Elasticsearch is used to process the data, store the data, that is being given to Elasticsearch. And the data that is coming into Elasticsearch is through different beats. And the data can directly come from Beats to Elasticsearch, or it can come via Logstash. Now we will see different benefits of Kibana. Kibana is a powerful web interface, and you can build customizable dashboards on Kibana, and also Kibana can be used to search different log events. Also Kibana can be used to create different data tables, graphs, or sophisticated visualizations to show the data in a useful manner to the user. Also using Kibana you can do log data analytics. Now we will see different sample dashboards of Kibana. So this is the Kibana dashboard for Apache server. So the data that is being given to Elasticsearch is the Apache server logs. So using the logs information through Kibana we can build this useful user interface where user can see, like, out of the different logs that are present for Apache. So for a given particular day, right, during the day, so how many response code of 200 are coming in, and different response codes that are coming in for a given day. So basically it gives a very useful information to the user. Like user can get a glimpse of, like, the status of the Apache server. So basically the user can see daily what are the different status codes that are coming in. Let's go to the next dashboard. So here, out of the HTTP server logs, useful information like what are the total redirect count that is coming in, and out of this total count what are the normal redirects and what are the default redirects. So using this dashboard user can get a idea of the total count. And using this dashboard user can know, like, what are the total records of a particular application, and how many unique kind of users are there for that particular application, and how much PHP memory is consumed. So all this useful data can be shown on the Kibana dashboard, and the source to the this information can be log files to the Elasticsearch, or any kind of files that can be indexed in the Elasticsearch. And after the index you can see you can actually create this useful information on the Kibana dashboard. And in this dashboard the useful information like what are the total user counts, and how many signups are performed, and what is the event counts based on different countries. And also we can see different actions, like, which action has been done more time, out of total actions, execute query has how much percentage of that. So that useful information can be seen in the Kibana. And here it's a sample e-commerce data, basically where you can see how many transactions are being performed each day and what is the total revenue, and this kind of useful information we can see in the Kibana dashboard. Thank you.